March 27, 2017. It's 4 p.m. 5710 Ilford Street in Charlotte, padlock renovation. Broken glass in the front yard. Gonna need to be removed. Turn the bushes from the side of the house. Also remove dead tree limbs and branches off the side of the fence. Unit does not have gas. I have no power to check any appliances. Stains in the carpets throughout. I recommend replacement. No trash out needed. We'll need to remove small miscellaneous items. Multiple holes in the walls and the ceilings throughout. Range from small to large. All need to be repaired. And tearing linoleum inside the closet needs to be checked out. It's gonna be a full paint on this unit. It's not our color, it's a light purple. Holes that have been patched up. Broken blinds. More holes in the walls. Another hole in the wall. Missing the attic space cover. Needs to be replaced. Several tears and stains in the kitchen linoleum. Recommend replacement. Also got stains on the kitchen countertop that may not come up. And kitchen cabinets, countertop's missing. It's also missing a drawer, and the railings are broken. It's all gonna need to be repaired. Place too big, too small. Drip pans, GE stove. All the appliances are gonna need to be cleaned as well. I recommend replacement on the refrigerator. Another broken blind. Another hole in the wall. Laundry area bifold doors taken down. They need to be installed. Missing 3 light globes. Large hole in the wall. Missing the back knob. Place AC filter, 14 by 24. Another hole in the wall. Wood up underneath the bathroom sink is dry rotten. Needs to be replaced. Toilet's loose from the floor. They caught bathtub. Towel rack and toilet paper holder is broken and missing parts. Both need to be replaced. Missing light bulbs. Missing another light globe. Stickers on walls and doors need to be removed. Another broken blind. Another small damage to the wall. scratch marks and holes. Possible mildew stains on the windowsill. Third closet missing shelves. Need to be replaced. More stickers on the doors. And several cracks. And damage to the bedroom door. May be able to be repaired. If not replaced. Crack in the door casing for the bedroom. Repair, replace. A small hole in the ceiling. More broken blinds. Pictures need to be removed. Gnawing in the bathroom. Just bubbling up. Missing paper towel. Raw. Toilet's loose from the floor. That's about it.